let us see the what is mean by first this video. Through this video easily you can understand the what is the criteria of the similar triangles. Okay, so there are three types of the criteria are there actually. When you visible to
सर आप पेन प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो क्या? हेलो
is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you consider two triangles criteria we are having: SAS congruency criteria, SSS, ASA and RHA. Can you are you the
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
it's not.
Yes, sir.
Not able to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to have these criterion similarity of the triangles whenever you take into consider. Triple A is nothing but angle. In case of the congruency of the triangles, you are not going to have the angle criteria. So you are going to have the SAS criteria, SSS criteria, and RHS criteria will be there and ASA will be there. But coming to the criteria of the similar triangles, similarity whenever you take into consider, we are going to have these three criteria. And see here triangle ABC and triangle DEF you take into consider. These are the two triangles taken into consider. These two triangles are similar. So the condition for the similarity क्या है? Normally angles equal होना है, angle A equal to angle D होना है, angle B equal to angle E होना है, angle C equal to angle F होना है, and the sides should be proportional. Normally, originally, whenever you take into consider AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF होना है. But here, but if you take criteria for the similar triangles, angle, side, and side angle, side. Three criteria will be there. So what these criteria will say? So now here, whenever you take into consider these three criteria, in these three criteria, AAA similarity criterion says that corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal. Then the corresponding sides are proportional. Means proportionality of the sides is not necessary to you to give. Proportionality of the sides is not necessary to give. Here when with triangles, whenever it is taken into consider, triangle ABC and triangle PQR is taken. Angle A equal to angle P given, angle B equal to angle Q is given, and angle C is equals to angle R is given. Then automatically you can prove that the triangle ABC is, you can say that ABC and PQ are two triangles are similar. It is not necessary to you. Automatically when the angles are equal, then the sides will be proportional. So AB by PQ and AC by PR, BC by QR will be equal. So how they are equal, you can prove it. Okay. So these things, whenever you take into consider, it is an easy task to you to prove it. Okay. Did you get my point here?
Yes, sir.
Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are getting echo.
No, sir.
Are you getting echo? No, someone is given message that sir echo message, echo voice आ रहा है बोल के message दिया.
हाँ सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है इको.
अभी भी?
हाँ सर.
So actually these the theorems, whatever the theorems here, so this can be considered as a one theorem here, and the proof of the theorem, whenever you see that, how can we prove this one? Let us see here. AAA means what here we need to prove here. AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR is equals to BC by QR. So now here you draw in a triangle PQR, construction should be drawn that PL will be equals to AB and PM will be is equals to, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So PL will be is equals to AB and PM will be is equals to AC. So these, by considering like that, in that way you have to draw a line LM you have to draw. So now if you see that in the triangle ABC and PLM triangles, whenever you observe that the two triangles, what you are going to get here? Angle BAC is equals to angle LPM. Okay, angles are equal, it is given. So the two triangles, we are going to get the congruency by SAS congruency. So when that two triangles are congruent, we are going to get here angle B is equals to angle L you are going to get. And L and Q are, angle B is equals to angle Q you are going to get. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q and angle L is equals to angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q, it is given to you. And we have proved that angle B is equals to angle L. how can you say angle B is equals to angle L?
Corresponding angles.
Yes, corresponding angles. CPCT. Normally, you can corresponding angles, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. CPCT बोलते हैं, but here angles we are taken into consider. Very good. B equal to L होगा and L is equals to Q होगा. So therefore, you can say that L and Q are equal. So L and Q are equal is nothing but if you take the LQ as a transversal, LM will be parallel to the QR. LM will be parallel to the QR. Isn't it? Why? Corresponding angles equal aa gaya hai. So when they are parallel, you apply the basic proportionality theorem in this. So if you apply the basic proportionality theorem in the triangle PQR triangle mein basic proportionality theorem apply karo. So what you can say here, PL by LQ is equals to PM by M bar. Isn't it? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका reciprocal ले लो. LQ by PL is equals to MR by PM you are going to get, and add one both sides. Then we are going to means actually directly also you can take into consider PQ by PL is equals to that it can be considered PR by PM you are going to get. But PL is equals to AB you are going to get. PL and AB are equal, na? So in the place of PL, you have to substitute AB. In the place of PM, you have to substitute AC. PM का place में AC substitute करो PL के place में. So then we are going to get PQ by AB is equals to PR by AC. PQ by AB is equals to PR by AC. So now here, in the same way, if you take into consider here, AB is equals to PL का replace कर दिया, then you are going to get AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR. So reciprocals ले लिया है. So what is required to prove here? One equation is completed here from that, and AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. AB by PQ is equals to BC by PR also we will get in the same way. So then you can consider the three sides of the one triangle are proportional to the three sides of the another triangle. Three sides of the one triangle are proportional to the three sides of the another triangles. Therefore, you can say that the two triangles are congruent. Here once again I will explain to you by drawing this one. Okay. Did you understand here? थोड़ा सा confuse हो गया होगा. I'll explain to you here again. So here, whenever you take into consider the two triangles to be taken into consider here, I am drawing the triangle AB, whatever it may be here, triangles, two triangles you take into consider. One is a triangle ABC, another triangle we have taken into PQR. So angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R is given. Yes.
सर स्क्रीन रिप्रेजेंट नहीं हो रही.
स्क्रीन रिप्रेजेंट नहीं हो रहे.
नो सर नहीं हो रही है.
सर प्रेजेंटेशन आपका नहीं है इधर.
Wait. Okay, did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. So this is a AAA criteria. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So now this is the AAA criteria, AAA similarity, and it's a proof here. Did you understand here? So corresponding angles equal means we have proved that sides are proportional. So angles are equal means sides proportional. So here the note point, what you have to do, when the two corresponding angles of the triangle are equal, then the two triangles are two corresponding, only two are equal corresponding angles. Only two angles equal if it is given also, you can say, because third angle will be automatically equal. When the two angles are equal, the third will be automatically equal. So that's why three angles equality, it is not necessary to you to take into consider. Only two angles if you take into consider, that can be taken as a AAA similarity of criterion. Okay. Is it audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is AAA similarity criteria. So with the help of this, now the triple SSS criterion is nothing but here. So whenever you take into consider these proofs, actually you may feel little bit difficult to you, but you learn it. If you learn it, then it is an easy task to you to. Now here, see here, SSS criteria, what here, sides will be given as a proportional. Sides will be given as a proportional. If the sides are given as a proportional, can you hear me?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So if the sides are given as a proportional, then angles will be equal. We can prove that angles are equal. Now how can we prove that angles are equal? Let us see here. We need to prove that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. Okay. Is it clear to you? Now here,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, here it is given that AB, and construction, what you need to do, you do the construction PQ, draw the line PQ in a triangle DEF, such that DP is equals to AB. In the same way, previously DQ is equals to AC. वो दोनों का लेंथ इक्वल पॉइंट्स ले लो एंड दोनों को ज्वाइन करो. So in the triangle ABC and DEF, whenever you consider ABC and DEF triangles में, it is given that AB by DP is equals to AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is given to us. So this point please note here. AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is given, and DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. How can you say this is? As per the construction, you can say, because AB and DP are equal, na, replaced AB by DP, replaced AC by DQ. So from that you can say that DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. So by the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, actually directly you can write here itself. Here in this, here it is given that by subtracting one, taking reciprocals, here it is given. But whenever it is given to you DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF, it is given in the triangle ABC, directly you can say that by the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, PQ will be parallel to EF. But exactly basic proportionality theorem to get, basic proportionality theorem apply करना है तो converse of basic proportionality theorem, DP by PE equal to DQ by QF होना है. Okay. So whenever you consider these parts into the consideration, can you hear me? So what here then, reciprocals is taken, DE by DP, and by taking the reciprocals and subtracting 1, we are going to get DE minus DP. So from that PE by DP, again reciprocals you take, then we are going to get DP by PE is equals to DQ by QF. So that is nothing but by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, you can say that PQ is parallel to EF. By the converse of basic proportionality theorem, PQ parallel to EF you will get. Okay. So when they are parallel, angle P equal to angle E you will get, and angle Q equal to angle F you will get, corresponding angles. Okay. So now the triangle, whenever you take into consider, angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle A. So now here dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF is equals to PQ by EF. So therefore, whenever you take into consider AB by dP, you replace by the AB, dQ replaced by the AC, and here you are going to PQ by EF because they are proportional. So now here AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is equals to BC by EF is given to us. So from that you can say that BC and PQ are equal. BC and PQ are equal here. From this statement you are going to get what you are going to get here. BC is equals to PQ you will get. From this BC and PQ are equal you are going to get. So whenever you take into consider like that, these two triangles will be congruent by the SSS congruency actually. AB equal to DP we are constructed, AC is equals to DQ we are constructed, and BC is equals to PQ we proved it. So then by the SSS congruency, these two triangles will be congruent. You see the step will be given to you. By the SSS rule, these two will be congruent. So when they are congruent, angle A equal to angle D हो जाएगा, and angle B equal to angle P हो जाएगा, angle C is equals to angle Q हो जाएगा. Isn't it? So now P equal to E already we have proved. So therefore B equal to E, Q equal to F already we have proved. Then you can say C equal to F. So all the angles are equal we are going to get. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
angles equal we have proved it. So three sides whenever you take into consider here, three sides are proportional means angles are equal we have proved it. So this you can say SSS. Here it is given to you AAA similarity criteria. So therefore you can say that these two triangles are similar when the angles are sides are in proportion. Automatically angles are equal. When the angles are equal, then the sides will be proportional. The next criteria is SAS similarity criteria. So let us see a little bit faster this one here. So what is the criteria here? If the one angle of the triangle is equal to the one angle of the another triangle and included these sides including these angle should be proportional. You see here triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Whenever you take into consider, AB by DE is equals to AC by DF and angle A equal to angle D. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So that means SAS criterion whenever you take into consider, you draw the say small construction PQ same. In all the three theorems, you need to draw the PQ such that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. So now here what do you get here? AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is given to you. And in the place of AB, you write DP. In the place of DQ, AC, you write DQ. Okay. And same reciprocals you take into consider here. DE by DP. And add one here to the both sides. Actually, add one step is not given to you here. DP, whenever you take into consider here. Yes. From this, you are going to get same. PE by DP is equals to P. So basic proportionality theorem, to apply the basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, these steps are taken into consider. So by the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, we are going to get PQ parallel to F. From that angle P is equals to angle U, you will get angle Q is equals to angle F, you will get. And here, what is required to us to prove again? In triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, smaller triangle and bigger triangle you take. Angle P equal to angle D, angle Q equal to angle F, and D is common here. So two angles is D is common in both the triangles. So you can say that DPQ triangle is similar to DEF triangle. And here it is given that AB is equals to, so DPQ and ABC are congruent. Why they are, this red color, whatever it is showing to you, they are congruent. By the what congruency they are congruent? Can anyone say? By what congruency they are congruent?
Side angle side.
Yes, very good. Because angle A equal to angle D, angle AB is equals to DP we have taken, angle AC is equals to DQ we have taken. So from this you are going to get the angle A is equals to angle, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. From that what you get, B equal to P you will get, angle B is equals to angle P, angle C is equals to angle Q you will get, angle C is equals to angle Q. So P and E are equal, so B and E are equal. You see here, two triangles ABC and DPQ are similar. Congruent means they are similar only. Every two congruent triangles are always similar. So they are similar. So ABC is similar to DPQ and DPQ is similar to DEF. Is it clear? DPQ is, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
ABC is similar to DPQ. DPQ is similar to DEF. So from this you can say that ABC and DEF both are similar. Did you get my point here? ABC is congruent to DPQ. When these two are congruent, ABC is similar to DPQ. ABC is similar to DPQ. And DPQ already we have proved that is similar to DEF. So therefore you can say that ABC is similar to DEF. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So once let us see here similarity of the triangles, main points what we have discussed, and then after we'll close. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding, and original definition of the similarity is this one. Means angles should be equal and the sides should be proportional. By angle criterion says to you, if the three angles of the one triangle are equal to the three angles of the another triangle, then it is said to be AAA similarity criterion. Okay. Is it clear? Next one is actually
Yes, sir.
two corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal only. Then you can say the two triangles are similar. No need of third one. Because third one automatically equal if it is given to you. Next one is in a two triangles, sides of the one triangle. Three sides of the one triangle are proportional to the three sides of the another triangle. Then their corresponding angles will be equal. Then the triangles will be similar. This is called as a SSS criterion. This criterion is called as side. The next one is one angle of the triangle is equal to the another angle and the sides including this angle, including sides to be taken into consider. Then the triangles are similar, and that is called as side similarity of criteria. So this is a similar triangles and their criterions and their proofs. And these proofs, you learn it, you may feel little bit difficult to you to learn these proofs actually, but you can learn it. It's not very difficult. And learn, and today itself you try to write in your notebook. Okay? These three theorems you write in your notebook today itself and complete these three theorems and learn it. Okay? Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can